Alright folks, this video we're going to show you how to make this part, and once again that is we want to do some investigation and to determine the best primary drawing plan. For this one there are different ways to do this. The easiest way actually is this. We're going to draw, we're going to use on the front plan, we're going to draw this profile, then extrude it this way. So we can make a L-shaped block. Then we're going to cut a hole on the flat part. We're going to cut a notch on the vertical part. Okay, let's go right to it. Click New. Click Part. Okay, for this one, I want to make sure the unit is millimeter gram second. Okay, once again that I want to click Edit Document Units. Make sure MMGS is selected, and for the decimal place actually want to keep as 0. Choose None. Click OK. So MMGS is selected. So we're ready to go. As we determined, we're going to choose the front plan. And we're going to make a sketch. I'm going to first draw a line. Start from origin. Go to the right. Horizontal line. Vertical line. Go back. Go to the left. Horizontal line. Go up. Vertical line. Go left. Horizontal line. Make sure you have a 2 dash line. Click this point. Connect to the origin. Now we're going to use the smart dimension. We're going to define the width of this object, actually 100 millimeter, and the height of this object is 60, and the width, the height of these steps is 10. And the width of this part is 25. Okay, it says fully defined. We are ready to go. Click Feature, Extruded Base. The extruded depth is 50. However, I want to keep the origin right in the middle, so the extrude direction I'm going to choose middle plane. I choose the middle plane. You can see that is part is extruded on both directions, so the origin right here would be right in the middle. Click this green check. So we finish this L-shaped block. Now we're going to make a hole on this plane. We're going to make a notch on this vertical wall. Okay, I'm going to click this flat part and make a sketch on the flat part. I'm going to make a circle. You can put the circle anywhere you want it. Okay, now we're going to use the smart dimension. First, you want to define the center of the diameter of that circle, which is 25. Yes, that's correct. That's 25. Okay. If you notice, it's still undefined because we did not define where the center is. For this one, the center should be in the middle of this block. So we're going to use the smart dimension. I'm going to click this edge. I'm going to click the center. Therefore, this one should be right in the middle, should be 25 because the total is 50. Now I'm going to click this edge. I'm going to click this right here. And the width one should be half of the width from here to here. And because the total is 100 and the vertical wall, the width is 25, therefore the flat part is 75. Half of that should be 37.5. So we're done with this, and it says fully defined. We are ready to go. We're going to click extrude cut. I'm going to choose through all and click this green check. So we finish this part. Now we're going to make a notch on this vertical wall. I'm going to click this surface, make a sketch on this surface. I'm going to choose a rectangle, choose the first one corner rectangle. And if you notice that is, if you have a lot of ply, sometimes it's a little bit harder for you to see the edges. So what you do that is, you can go to the display style, click hidden line removed. Now you can actually see line clearly. Can make sure you make your first click of the rectangle on this line, and move to a direction. We're going to use the smart dimension. We're going to define the width of the cut, which happen to be 30, and the height of the notch, the cut is, the depth of that the cut is, let me see, 12. Okay, we're done with that. And you also notice that it's undefined because where exactly this cut will be, we did not define that. And this one should be right in the middle, and the total width is 50. The cut is 30. If it's right in the middle, this should be 10. This should be 10. So I'm going to click this vertical line, click the other vertical line, and go up. This one should be 10. Dimension should be 10. Okay. Now it says fully defined. Okay. Click feature, extruded cut. I'm going to choose through all. Okay. Now click this green check. So we finish this. We have two cuts, one the vertical wall on the flat part. So we're good. Now apparently we cannot see the origin, so we can go to view. We can add origin, make sure origin show up. So right in the middle of the back. If you rotate that, you will see it right in the middle of the back. So we're good to go. And we can also assign materials. For the material, we're going to click material, right click, edit the material. For this particular material, we're going to choose 1060 alloy. Once again, choose 1060 alloy, go to aluminum alloy, go to 1060 alloy, apply and close. So we have set this type. Once again, that is, if you want to click this isometric, the view type, that's a typical you see right here. And if you click isometric view, and that is bring the nice good looking. And if you do evaluate, click mass property, you can see the density, the total mass 226 grams, so on and so forth. So we're good with this one. Let's save this file as exercise E 2.10.10. Okay, I will see you on next video.